Hello students, today we are going to study grammar, and in grammar we will start with chapter number 2, phrases. So, what is phrase? A group of words that make some sense but not complete sense, it's called a phrase. So, a phrase is a group of words which make sense but not complete sense, so that we call a phrase. And phrase is a part of a sentence. For example, if I say the sun is above our head, above our head will be a phrase. It is making sense but not complete sense. So if we say the sun is above our head, then this sentence is making a sense, complete sense. But above our head is having a sense but not complete sense, and this is called a phrase. So there are kinds of phrases, three kinds of phrases. First is adjective phrases, second is adverb phrases, and third is noun phrases. So first let's see adjective phrases. In a sentence, a phrase that acts as an adjective is called an adjective phrase. So if a phrase is acting as an adjective, or it is showing the importance, or you can say the adjective of that word, okay, so that phrase will be called as an adjective phrase. If I take the first example, which is there, the lady in the silken gown is my aunt. What type of that gown is? Silken. So silken is what? Adjective. It is describing the gown, that it is made up of silk. But if I say the lady in a gown made of silk is my aunt, so that gown which is made of silk is what? Adjective phrase. If I take the second example, that is, Mr. Singh is an experienced teacher. So Mr. Singh is what type of a teacher? Experienced. So that is showing adjective. But if we say like this, that Mr. Singh is a teacher with experience, so that will be your adjective phrase. If we take the next example, his painting is faultless. So what we are talking about his painting? That it is faultless. That means we are talking about that adjective of that painting, that is faultless. But if we say his painting is without fault, that will be as adjective phrase. Now, if we see these examples given over here, so if I say a steel almirah, it will be an adjective. But if I say an almirah made of steel, that will be of adjective phrase. Clear? Next is adverb phrases. So in a sentence, a phrase that acts as an adverb is called an adverb phrase. For example, Rohit acted cleverly. So it is showing manner, that how Rohit acted cleverly, so it will be adverb. But if we say the sentence in this way, that Rohit acted in a clever manner, that will be your adverb phrase. Clearly? Then if we take another example, that is, please handle it carefully. Again, it is showing manner, that how we have to handle carefully. So it will be an adverb. But if we say the sentence, please handle it with care, then it will show adverb phrase. Clear? So this is your adverb phrases, and examples are given. Now if we come to the third one, that is noun phrases. So in a sentence, a phrase that acts as a noun is called a noun phrase. For example, how to write is an art. I love reading newspaper. So these are examples of noun phrases. So in short, what we can conclude? A phrase is usually a group of words which make sense but not complete sense. A phrase which performs the function of an adjective is called an adjective phrase. A phrase which works as an adverb is an adverb phrase. When a phrase does the function of a noun, it is known as noun phrase. Clear, students?